Imagine possessing a secret switch within your own body. A switch that, when activated, could instantly melt away stress, calm your racing thoughts, and usher in a profound sense of peace. This isn't a fantasy, it's a biological reality, and it resides within you right now. For too long, we've searched externally for solutions to our internal turmoil. We've overlooked the incredible innate capacity our bodies hold for self-regulation and healing. Today, we're going to uncover this remarkable internal mechanism. We're talking about the vagus nerve, often referred to as the body's superhighway. This isn't just any nerve. It's the longest cranial nerve in your entire body, a true marvel of biological engineering. It acts as a vital, two-way communication channel, connecting your brain to an astonishingly vast network of your most crucial organs. Think of it as the ultimate internal messenger. From your heart and lungs to your digestive system and even your vocal cords, the vagus nerve orchestrates a symphony of bodily functions. It is the key to unlocking profound calm, enhancing your resilience, and fostering an enduring sense of well-being. Understanding and engaging this nerve can truly transform your life. The vagus nerve is far more than just a simple connection. It's a sophisticated two-way communication street. It constantly carries vital information from your organs back to your brain, providing real-time updates on your internal state. This continuous feedback loop allows your brain to monitor and regulate countless internal bodily processes with incredible precision. This constant dialogue is absolutely crucial for maintaining what scientists call homeostasis. Homeostasis is that delicate, dynamic balance within your body that ensures all systems are functioning optimally. It's the state where everything is working in harmony, keeping you healthy and thriving. Without the vagus nerve's diligent work, this balance would quickly falter. When your vagus nerve is functioning well, the benefits are truly transformative. It actively promotes deep relaxation, shifting your body out of its fight or flight response and into a state of rest and repair. A robust vagal tone also plays a significant role in reducing systemic inflammation, a silent contributor to many chronic diseases. Furthermore, it supports healthy digestion, ensuring your gut can efficiently process nutrients and maintain its own delicate ecosystem. Conversely, a poorly functioning vagus nerve can have widespread and detrimental consequences. It significantly contributes to chronic stress, making it harder for your body to recover from daily pressures. It is strongly linked to anxiety, often exacerbating feelings of worry and unease. Beyond these, a compromised vagus nerve is associated with a wide array of other health problems, impacting everything from mood regulation to immune response. Here's the truly empowering news. You are not a passive observer in your own physiological landscape. You possess the remarkable ability to actively influence the activity of your vagus nerve. This isn't some abstract concept. It's a tangible, learnable skill that can profoundly impact your health and well-being. This capacity to influence your vagus nerve opens up incredible avenues for self-improvement and stress reduction. It means you can consciously engage in practices that strengthen this vital pathway. By doing so, you can shift your internal state from one of tension to one of tranquility. A key concept in understanding this influence is vagal tone. Think of vagal tone as a measure of your vagus nerve's overall activity and responsiveness. It's like the strength and efficiency of that internal superhighway we discussed earlier. A higher vagal tone indicates a more effective and adaptable internal system. When your vagal tone is high, your body is better equipped to regulate its internal systems, responding smoothly to challenges. This means you can recover more quickly from stressful situations, maintaining a sense of calm even amidst chaos. A higher vagal tone leads to a significantly better and more adaptive response to stress, allowing you to navigate life's difficulties with greater ease and resilience. It's about building an internal buffer against the demands of modern life. The exciting field of neuroscience is continually uncovering specific ways to stimulate the vagus nerve. Researchers are delving into various methods, from biofeedback to targeted exercises, all aimed at enhancing its activity. A particularly fascinating area of study focuses on the power of rhythms. We are discovering that certain rhythms, whether in breath, sound, or movement, can have a profound impact. These specific patterns are particularly effective in promoting calm and shifting our physiological state. They act as gentle nudges, encouraging the vagus nerve to engage its parasympathetic, rest and digest functions. Among these discoveries, one specific frequency has emerged as particularly significant: the 0.1 Hz rhythm. This rhythm, though seemingly subtle, holds immense power for calming the nervous system. It's a frequency that resonates deeply with our body's natural restorative processes. The 0.1 Hz rhythm is strongly associated with states of deep relaxation and profound meditation. When we engage with this rhythm, it helps to synchronize the activity of the vagus nerve, optimizing its function. This synchronization creates a harmonious internal environment, fostering a sense of deep peace. Engaging with this specific rhythm initiates a cascade of beneficial effects throughout your entire system. It can lower heart rate, reduce blood pressure, and promote a sense of centeredness. By consciously incorporating practices that align with the 0.1 Hz rhythm, you can actively cultivate a more resilient and peaceful internal state. This isn't just about temporary relief. It's about building lasting physiological change. We've explored the incredible potential residing within your vagus nerve, your body's secret switch for well-being. Now, the journey truly begins. By utilizing the techniques we've discussed, you can actively tap into this profound inner power. This isn't about quick fixes, but about cultivating a deeper connection with your own physiology. Embracing these practices allows you to transform your response to stress. Instead of being overwhelmed, you can learn to navigate challenges with greater composure and resilience. You gain the ability to consciously shift your body from a state of tension to one of calm, empowering you in every aspect of your life. This journey is about cultivating a greater sense of peace and well-being that permeates your daily existence. It's about moving beyond merely coping with stress to actively thriving. You are building an internal sanctuary, a place of calm you can access anytime, anywhere. The path to unlocking your vagus nerve is a profound journey. It's a journey towards a calmer self where anxiety and worry hold less sway. It's a journey towards a healthier self where your body's natural healing mechanisms are optimized. Most importantly, it's a journey towards a more resilient self, equipped to face life's challenges with strength and grace. Embrace this hidden power within you and unlock a life of profound well-being.